Hi, this is Paul with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Redman Property Group. Did you know that your property in the multiple listing service, or the MLS as we call it, has expired? This information is sent out to all of the real estate websites across the nation. And if your listing has expired, then your property really isn't on the market anymore. It's actually incredible that your property isn't already sold. We have buyers in the market right now looking for a property just like yours. To be honest, your agent might have missed the mark a little when it came to effective marketing. It simply didn't work. So, was the agent in constant communication with you and readily available for questions? Did you feel like they might be ignoring you once the house didn't go under contract immediately? We found communication is the key to a great sell. With an improved marketing plan, one that is effective and brings results, you'll have buyers flocking to your property. It's a good idea to think about your options before you relist your property. Let's talk about some of the areas of your property that might explain why your home didn't sell easily with your prior agent. So call me or text me 407-552-5281 so we can start the process of relisting your property. Remember, ask for me, Paul, on 407-552-5281.